Sina namashita sihlangane from high school yabo.
Sure.
About the 2014,
Sure.
it's where a group ama-Taikola were formed.
Sure.
Yabo elasa abona khona ukuthi hey yazi we do have a potential on this thing yabo.
Sure.
Asizame although phela ukhona into othi uyayishaya hey wena uthi right kanti ayikho right. Yabo.
Sure.
So sasiloke siyibhitilisha and I think you remember there's a song ethi Ngikhathele.
Sure.
That was our breakthrough track.
Sure.
Sathi mashayo nale ngoma lena futhi nakhona sidlalela nje sithi asibuyeni egamini sibone konke engenzeka. Hoy ingoma hayibo yashaya ingoma yadlula thina.
Sure.
Awuthi ngikhumbula nje lo suku sathi masitshele eTexini eSouth Beach ishow eTexini ulokhu ulinde ukuthi udriver uzokubuka ethi hey nigayasha ingoma yakho akakwazi ulinde ukuthi wena ukhokha u7 wehle.
Sure. Ngikhathele mfethu, it was one of those songs ukuthi udlule esithawa nje mfethu eyitolo uthi uyayidlulene yasha ngikhathele so ngoba